Do you want to set up the ultimate Discord server? After watching this video, you'll know exactly how to do that. By the way, if you don't feel like setting up a server yourself, I can do it for you for cheap. Check out my Fiverr gig using the link in the description and the pinned comment. Let's move on. The first thing you have to do is head over to Discord. Go over here to the server list. Click on the plus icon. Select Create My Own because we'll be making a server from scratch. Here I'm going to select a club or community. Here you have to enter your server name. Make sure that it's catchy. Click on the upload button and upload a server icon. Then click Create. Click on this down arrow down over here. Go to Server Settings. Then, go to Enable Community. Select Get Started. Make sure that you tick these boxes. Then click Next. Again, select Next. Tick I agree and understand and click on Finish Setup. Then close out of Settings. Now I'll show you how to create a server category. Again, click on the arrow at the top. Click on Create Category and enter your category name. Then press Enter. I am going to create some more categories. You can arrange categories by dragging them up or down. To edit a category, you have to right-click and click Edit Category. Here, enter your new category name. Then click Save Changes. Now I'll show you how to create a channel. I'm going to create a text channel. Here, enter the channel name and press Enter. I am going to create some more channels. Make sure that the channel relates to the category that it's in. Create as many channels as you like. To create a voice channel, all you have to do is set the channel type to voice. And if you want to delete a channel, right-click and select Delete Channel. Now we will be styling the channels and categories. First, add some emojis to the channel names. To bring up this menu on Windows, press the Windows key and period. I am going to fast forward this process. This is how it looks when it's done. Now I'll decorate the categories. First, go to coolsymbol.com. After you are on the website, go to Line Symbols. Then, select a good symbol and copy it. Now go back to Discord. Click Edit Category and paste what you copied. I am going to paste it in multiple times so that it looks good. I am going to do the same for the other categories. Now add some symbols to the channel names as well. Go back to the website and select and copy a good symbol. Again, go back to Discord. Click Edit Channel and paste it in. I am going to copy and paste this into every channel name. By the way, if you are enjoying the video so far, make sure to hit that like button down below. Thanks so much. Let's move on. Now we will be setting up server roles. To do that, go to Server Settings. Then go to Roles. Click on Create Role. Then, enter the role name. First, I'll be creating a member role. Now I'll create some staff roles. My staff roles will be Trial Mod, Moderator, Admin, Co-owner, and Owner. Arrange the roles by dragging them up or down. Then, click Save Changes. Now I'll style the roles, add role colors, and set up role permissions. To select a role color, go over here and pick a color you like. Make sure that this is turned on. I will add some emojis to the roles. I'm going to fast forward this process. Now, we'll set up role permissions. For the member role, I will keep it as it is. And for the trial mod role, I will be enabling these permissions. For moderator, these permissions will be enabled. And these are the permissions for the admin role. Here are the permissions for the co-owner role. I will not change permissions for the owner role because I'm the owner. Now I'll show you how to add a role. To do that, click on the profile. Then click on the plus icon and select the role. And that's it. Now I will be adding a custom emoji. To do that, go to emoji.gg. Then select and download a good emoji. I will only be downloading one to show an example. Then go back to Discord and go to Settings. Click Upload and upload the emoji. Double-click on the emoji name to rename it. Then close out of Settings. I am going to send it in the chat. As you can see, it works. Now we will be setting up rule screening. First, go to Server Settings. Then, go to Safety Setup. Click this Edit button. Here click Setup. Over here, write a description of what the server is about. Click Get Started. I'm only going to add the example rules. You can add a custom rule by clicking Add a Rule. After you are done, click on Save. Click here to enable rules screening. Close out of Settings. Now, we will set up embedded rules for the server. To do that, go to carl.gg. Click Login with Discord. Then, click Authorize. Select the server. Over here, click on Continue. Again, click Authorize. Complete the CAPTCHA. Now we've successfully added CarlBot to our server. Again, go back to carl.gg. Here, click on Manage. Again, select the server. Here scroll down and select Embeds. I am not going to add any normal text with the embed. Over here, on the title, I will type rules and add an emoji. Click here to change the color of the toggle. I'm going to copy and paste some rules over here. I will add numbers so that it looks better. Now I'll add an image to the embed. I am going to search for one on Google. I'll copy the image URL and paste it over here. After that, add a footer to the embed. You can do that by typing it over here. After you are done with the embed, scroll down and choose a destination. Then click Send. Go back to Discord and check if the embed is in the channel. I am going to create a role to add to the bots. I'll speed up the process. Now we will be making it so that the member role gets automatically added after completing the rule screening. To do that, go to me6.xyz, click Add to Discord and authorize your Discord account. It will redirect you to the dashboard. Click on the Setup button beside the server. Then add the bot to your server. I'll speed it up. After the bot is added, you will be redirected here. Under Server Management, go to Welcome and Goodbye. Then click here. Make sure to enable this option. Scroll down and select the member role. If you get this error, do this. Go to Discord and move the Me6 role above the member role. Click Save Changes. Go back to the browser and add the role again. Then save it. Now I will join the server with a different account to see if this works. As you can see, we are presented with the rules screening after we join. After we accept that, the member role is automatically given. Pretty cool, right? Since the server still needs to be finished, what you have to do is, click the link in the description or the pinned comment and go to this playlist. Then, watch those videos and continue building your server. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you there.